Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will discuss few more built-in function related to time. So here I have created the program. Let's go to the program. So here, firstly, we are setting some control option, that is no debug IO and SRC STMT, mainly for debugging purpose. And below to that, we have declared two variable, current time or result, and the data type is also a time. Okay. Now in this session we will discuss about three built-in function, that is percentage hours, percentage minutes and percentage seconds. So as we if you remember in previous few sessions we discuss about the percentage date and its related functions like days, month and year. Similarly we have these functions which is related to time. So let's see how we can use this. So suppose requirement is that we have one time and we want to add some duration in number of hours. So how we will do this? To add that duration as a number of hours, we can use this function percentage hours. So let's see how we are using it here. So on line number 24, I'm retrieving the current time using the percentage time built-in function, and then we are just displaying it. Now suppose whatever the current time is, I want to add 2 more hours to that time. Then how we will do this? With the help of this percentage hours. So what it will do, it will convert this number into a duration in terms of hours, and then that number will be, or that duration will be added to the current time. So whatever the time will be, it will tell the time after 2 hours of that. Okay, so we are just displaying it. Similarly, suppose if the requirement is that we want to add the number of minutes, duration as a number of minutes. So we can use this function percentage minutes, and inside that we have to pass the number which we want to convert to the duration. So here I'm passing it as 2. So what it will do, it will add the 2 minutes to the current time, and then we are displaying it. And similarly we can do it with the seconds also. So if you want to add some seconds to your current time, then you can utilize this function percentage seconds. Okay, so here we are using it for the current time. You can use it for any time, like suppose if we have any hard coded time, so you can utilize it there also. So let's see whether we are getting the output or not. I'm calling it. So this is the current time. Okay, so as per our logic, now what we are doing, we are just adding the 2 hours to the current time, so it should come as 20. Yes, we are getting it as 20. So it added 2 hours to this current time, and if I hit enter again, then it will add 2 minutes. So here 11 plus 2 is 13, right? So we are getting it correct. And if I and hit enter again, so it is returning 33. Yes, this is also correct, because in current time it is adding 2 seconds. Here in current time it is adding 2 minutes, and here in current time it is adding 2 hours. So this is how we can utilize this built-in function. And this is, these all built-in functions are related to time. So whenever there is a need where you want to add some duration in number of hours, minutes and seconds, then you can utilize all these functions. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.